The following segment is sponsored by La Panzanella, Artisanal Foods, Leslie Stowe, Rain Coast Crisp, and Applegate Farms, LLC. As the holiday season approaches, we are all looking for ways to entertain guests without the stress. Registered dietitian Amy Goodson is here with her expert tips and simple, delicious recipes to make your holiday gatherings both enjoyable and nutritious. Welcome to the show, Amy.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Well, the holidays are here, so where should we start when planning for our holiday festivities?
Yes, those holidays are fast approaching, and my favorite way to start any party or family gathering is with delicious appetizers and small bites. And La Panzanella and Rain Coast Crisps are really your go-to crackers to elevate any appetizer, from charcuterie boards to dips and spreads. So La Panzanella croquettini, which means crunchy little bites in Italian, offer bold, savory flavors like sea salt, rosemary, and cracked pepper. And then I love Rain Coast Crisps because they really deliver that satisfying crunch with a blend of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Flavors like fig and olive, both cranberry and hazelnut, as well as seasonal favorites like pumpkin spice and rosemary raisin pecan make these perfect for the holidays. And what I really love is that both brands craft their products with simple pantry-friendly ingredients to deliver that delicious flavor and texture to complement any cheese spread or any recipe that you're looking to whip up. So you can visit lapanzanella.com and raincoastcrisps.com to find all your recipe inspiration as well as all the flavors of the crackers. And then you can look for them in the deli section of Whole Foods and your local grocery store.
Oh my goodness, Amy, you're making me hungry. This looks so delicious. I love sweet and savory. How can we stay prepared with whatever the season brings?
The key is really to stock up on essentials to be prepared for the unexpected, from impromptu parties and brunches all the way to those overnight guests. So I always keep my freezer stocked with Applegate Naturals frittata bites. Not only are these a really delicious breakfast option for your guests, but they are an easy way to help you stay fueled all season long with that good protein. Now, when we talk about the frittata bites, they are actually the industry's first and only certified humane frozen egg bite. They're 100% natural, high protein, and they feature real recognizable ingredients, including 2 of Applegate's best-selling items, chicken breakfast sausage and bacon. So these are a go-to staple for your kitchen this holiday season, and you can find them nationwide at Sprouts and Whole Foods. And then if you need another retailer, you can check out applegate.com.
Well, we're just knocking things off our list. What are some other ways to keep entertaining simple?
My top 3 tips are: number 1, plan your menu in advance to help reduce that holiday stress so you're not running around last minute looking for all of your ingredients. Number 2, opt for these simple staples like we've talked about today that can really provide flavor as well as a lot of versatility to whatever you're making. And then number 3, add color and nutrients with fresh fruits and vegetables. It's really the perfect way to make a beautiful spread and a nutritious one.
Well, like I said, you're making me hungry, and I'm so excited the holidays are here, especially thanks to you. Thank you for coming on the show.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Happy holidays.